If you're trying to decide which browser to use in 2025, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, it helps to compare their speed, performance, privacy, and unique features. Chrome remains one of the fastest browsers, especially for cloud-based tools and web-heavy apps. It also has the largest extension library, which makes it ideal for freelancers, students, and anyone who relies on productivity add-ons. On the downside, Chrome uses more RAM than other browsers, which can slow down computers with limited memory, and its privacy practices may concern users who want to limit data sharing. Microsoft Edge, built on the same Chromium engine as Chrome, often matches Chrome's speed while using less memory, making it smoother on laptops and older devices. It's also optimized for Windows and offers better battery and performance management. Edge includes strong security features for safe browsing and supports most Chrome extensions, giving you both performance and flexibility. The main drawback is that it still collects a fair amount of user data and is very Microsoft-centric, which some users may dislike. Mozilla Firefox, meanwhile, stands out for privacy. It includes powerful tracking protection and shares less user data than Chrome or Edge. Firefox is also lighter on system resources, especially when you have many tabs open, and being open source, it appeals to users who prefer independence from big tech ecosystems. However, Firefox generally lags behind Chrome and Edge in raw speed and heavy web app performance, and its extension library is smaller, which can be limiting if you rely heavily on add-ons. So, which browser is best? If you prioritize speed, extensions, and seamless integration with Google services, Chrome is your go-to. If you want a balance of performance, low memory usage, and smooth multitasking, Edge is the ideal choice. For maximum privacy and lighter system usage, Firefox is the winner. Many users find a hybrid approach works best, for example, using Edge or Chrome for everyday work and heavy web apps, while keeping Firefox for privacy-sensitive tasks like banking or personal email. By understanding each browser's strengths, you can choose the one that fits your workflow and needs in 2025. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tech tips.